Romeich distributing food items to over 300 Jamaican families.
The thing, alright? We know so we go and we roll out and say, yo, we're going to feed 50 family, and it end up saying, it look like we're going to feed over 300 family. And we just have to be big up to everybody we help.
Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man, a pushing at the traffic.
Like I said, that's a brand new one from Chenille Muir, and it will be on her Vivo tomorrow. It's produced by Good Production. I want to know say that's her management team or label also. You see what I say? So, we're going to go check out that tomorrow. But people, you know, I'm going to get into the Romeich story, but before that, I want to show no Shensia. So, she look like Shensia and Raj them went to a hotel last night, and they have a little fun in the early morning there. Or yesterday them went. I don't know when they go, but she post the video in the wee hours of the morning. You see what I say? But anyway, she have play food tennis with the chef, so here goes.
Don't worry, man. You have to catch it, man. Tell me when you're ready. Okay, everyone ready? Hey, Raj, you ready?
Somebody say,
You see the water, I see you play. The water we run on the man with a miss. You have to see one song. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Yo, big up Shensia. Shensia good at them challenge thing, yeah, and anything like this she good at, right? We always see she do things on her Instagram and on her Snapchat and so on, right? The other day we see she do the eel challenge where she actually put on the eel and I run and take up Raj and run with him, take up one computer, all kind of something she a run with, right? So big her up on that. But people, let's talk about our boss Romeich, right? So Romeich set out to feed 50 Jamaican families, and the support was so big and that him get more than, you know what I mean, him can do more than 50, so him actually look like a 300 him there right now. Him there keep a little track up on him Instagram when they tick off the mark them how much him can reach. So I'm just showing some of the video before me make him talk. So I'm just show you some things when him get so far. Alright, so here goes.
Work, we are work. Work, we are work. Work, we are work. One and help each other. Unity. Understand? Yeah. Work, we are work. Work, we are work. So much pressure. Well, the people are being so far for the pressure. Yeah, man, that's how it go. Work, we are work. Yeah. I will keeping it clean. It's not on the ground, people. It's on the chop island. Yeah. What is money beef and rice? Jesus Christ, money beef and rice! Nice!
Yeah, man, so I have to definitely big up Romeich and everybody else where I make the effort for help out the people where I have a hard time in the pandemic. We know that thing they go, you know, across Jamaica, you have a whole heap of people did already a struggle before the pandemic, so this is just a great thing that Romeich do, and all of the company them were chip in and help, you know, I mean, corporate Jamaica, the whole heap. When you're looking at him storehouse in the next video, when I go see the kind of products them we get from everybody, and at the end of that video, I'm going to show the next video with one brand new product named Saturday Soup, because we never see it before, but it's on cool. It's a cup soup. Cup new good thing, so me I go show on that. But right now, me I go show on Romeich. Actually, I said thank you to the people that contribute to this effort. So here goes.
People know the thing, alright? We know so we go and we roll out and say, yo, we're going to feed 50 family, and it end up saying, it look like we're going to feed over 300 family. And we just have to be big up to everybody we help. 80% of the help was from people overseas, so I'm big up. And we just say everybody, we just showing and say once we work together, things can be so better and be so good. So if we just stop the violence, stop the fighting, stop the war, and we just come together and work together and live good and just make everywhere a better place. But right now we focus on Jamaica. So big up all of the brand, then big up everybody. You could have given me $1,000, you could have given me a word of wisdom. You could have given me 200,000 or 100,000. I'm just tell all of them thank you. And big up because see it here now. I talk to you about this Monday, today and Wednesday. And see it here and pack the bag them and start give people food. From today, from tonight. So all who get to call them, God bless you know. All who never get no call, so it go, we can't do it for everybody. And some people are chosen, some never get so. But stay in too. Tune in. I go for my life tonight and do some other things too. So big up. All of the brand them, all of the company them. Big up. Jamaica, I love you now. Romeich Entertainment in the town.
Yeah, man, I forgot to mention, like him said, the people them overseas help out as well. People, sometimes that's all you need. You need one person to just say, this way I do, and then everybody just fall in place. Because maybe, you know what I mean, them corporate people, yeah, never did go really hire a team to go distribute, but them, yes, me I say, them willing to give once Romeich say, him would do it. So, when you see that, when you see say, I use him vehicle them, and him own people them, and everything, for just get out the food there to whoever need it the most. You see me? And we have to big up Romeich for that. And like I say, anybody else we are do it, but we not talk about big them up as well. Now, people, I'm a proud Jamaican. I mean, a whole heap of proud Jamaican. Listen to it. You see me? I say, and big up everybody else, but we don't know Jamaica thing. Go. You see me? And when we have a product, we have to highlight that product. And Mr. Romeich highlight Saturday soup. So here goes Saturday soup. Check it out.
Yeah, early morning and dip on the work, yeah. You know, the little charity work giving back to the people of Jamaica that I love. You know the thing, go, Saturday soup. First, me I hear about it. First, me I go try it. Drop off some whole heap of soup for we give the people them. Big up Saturday soup. My first time trying Saturday soup on a Thursday. No, because the name Saturday soup means I need to eat it on Saturday. Monday to Sunday, you drink Saturday soup. You understand? Nice!
Yeah, man, so a big shout out to Saturday Soup. Then they're on Instagram at Saturday Soup. So, you see how it's spelled SATDEH and soup. Right? That's them tag at Saturday Soup. So, big up Romeich, we are doing my do. Big up everybody who contribute to the effort. You see me? So people, when you get in the comment section, tell me what you think about this. And big up on yourself. If it's your first time on this channel and you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe. If you just subscribe, welcome to the Dancehall IG family. To all my long-time subscribers, thank you for being here. Keep on liking, sharing, and commenting. Everybody big up on yourself. Have a wonderful day or night or whatever time it is. Wherever you are, stay safe out there. I'm out.
We got Diamond in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me. Dancehall IG. Rich. Punk. Should know. 10 to blacks. Yeah, they.